Alright friends, now we will learn how to use the super keyword in inheritance. For example, when I run this code, which method runs? It runs the method inside the subclass. The dog class runs. We already see that. When I run it, you see dogs eat dog food appears on the screen when I call eat function, as you see, because of the inheritance. But what if I want to run the eat method from the animal class? So I can make it using super keyword. So inside the eat method here, I write super.eat. So let's see in action. I run my code. You see, dog's bark appears first because I call this function, and then animals eat and dogs eat dog food. So because of the inheritance, the eat method inside the dog class runs. But here I call parents eat method using super keyword. With super keyword, I reach parent class, and then after I put my dot notation inside the parent class, I reach eat method. So that's why first animal eats appears on the screen, and after that dogs eat dog food appears on the screen. I hope you understand it. This demonstrates how super keyword allows you to mix behavior from both parent and child classes. Alright.